I'm a butterfly. I can fly. I'm a butterfly. I can fly. Let's get going. We are down here. That's cool though. I like that. Like the color, the purples, little hearts. It's pretty cool looking. And GL Siargao. It's just one of the, I don't even know the name of it. I don't even think there is a name to it. But I'm sure it's a rental. You could rent that place there. But we are down here in General Luna. Going to take a walk, assess the situation here when it comes to tourism here right now. There are a lot, you're seeing a lot more people here. All right, let me get out of here. You're seeing a lot more people here. I've noticed the activity has picked up within the past month or so. Where are they coming from? Couldn't tell you. A lot of Europeans are coming here, Australians, Canadians. I don't know, Canadians. A lot of Israelis come here. What else? Netherlands, Switzerland. Like they're coming from all over. And of course, you have Filipinos that do come and visit. But this is probably the most activity we've seen in this area for months. And this is right around 11 o'clock in the morning. The tide is in, so people are out surfing, but just so much construction going on. So much. It's like every time you turn around, there's something being built. There's something, a restaurant changes name. It's crazy, but hey, there must be a demand for it. There's a Siargao Beach Club. That's new, the little vape shop there. That Siargao Beach Club has activities going on, different themes every day of the week. And I'm gonna have to kill it because, hey, we got music. All right, we're back in business. A YouTuber content creator's worst enemy. Walking by, I'm good, my friend. The worst enemy is music, right? Morning. Copyright music. Remember that when you first start out, pay attention. Pay attention to what's being played in the background. You don't mean to do it, but it happens. Tarot reading, sacred space, crystals and stones, candles and incense, healing session, book and journal, spiritual gifts. A little bit of everything down here. A little bit of everything down here. You can find it. It's here. T-shirts, postcards. People even do postcards anymore?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I remember when we were growing up, family members went away or friends. And we even did it when we went away on vacation as a family. We'd send postcards home. Go to the Jersey Shore and send a postcard home. This guy's gone. Never know. You gotta pay attention. I know. Yell at me. You're walking on the wrong side of the road. Yell at me. Good morning. Another building going up here. We'll shoot down the other side too. This is an in real life video. There's no AI involved. However, I've been checking out some AI stuff. I just think it's cool. Some of the stuff, it just cracks me up. The stuff they do with AI. Isla burgers, hot dogs, foot long. Not my cup of tea. This isn't Curvadas, is it? Is this Curvadas? I know Curvada moved. Yes, it's right here. Curvada. It was up the road. We'll walk by it. But they moved it down here now. So in case you come here and you want to go to Curvada, it's well known, very popular place to eat. It has moved right across from Siargao Corner Cafe. It has moved. There it is, Curvada. Chest Tattoo Arts and Gallery. The tattoo guy. Hello. This place here opens up in the evening. A lot of reggae music being played there. It's a good time, a fun time. Looks like they poured concrete here. Yeah. So it's all muddy and messy. That leftover party from last night? I would say so. Somebody just abandoned the party, and that was that. Party. How's our man's building doing here? This guy here on the right-hand side. They renovated this here. It's going to be nice when it's done. I would go in and talk to that guy all the time. Nice Filipino. That's where I got a lot of my headscarves from. That guy right there. And then I ordered some online. But you can see the traffic. The traffic is good. That's a sign right there when you see this much traffic. No, I'm good, my friend. When you see this much traffic here at this time of the day, that's the good. Best burgers on the island. Chef Marquis in there. All right, I gotta cut this. Chef Marquis burgers. I'm telling you, the best burgers on the island. Pay a little bit more for them, but they are good. Good. Bar and kitchen, that's new. Yeah, that's new. Watch you don't trip over these, huh? Especially at night if you've been drinking. Wow. That sounded nice. Right? That sounded nice. Good seafood up there. We'll just walk down here a little bit. We'll go to the old cravatas. Gift shop, Souvenirs. They're all over the place. Now we're going to the Jersey Shore. This place gets rocking at night. A lot of food, a lot of live bands in there. We're going to the Jersey Shore. Get me a t-shirt every year from the Iron On decal place. I love it. But I just want to walk to the end here where Cravatas is, where it used to be. Catch some waves. This is where Cravata used to be. Puppy. Baking in the sun. Right here. Another, that's a pretty dog right there. See, Cravata transferred 100 meters away. I don't know what that'll be. Kind of looks like they're renovating it. We'll see when it pops up. Let's just hop across the street. Where's Lut? I think I lost Lut. Lut! I lost Lut. Oh, I looked down at the souvenir place and there she is. Looking for souvenirs. I think she was at the Ukay. You always have to take off your shoes. Every place you go to, take off your shoes. T-shirt, souvenirs. You just gotta find what souvenir t-shirt you want. I'll pretty much sell the same type. Tattoo places. One thing here, if you're into tattoos and you want a tattoo on this island, there are a lot of tattoo places here. Just down here. You head down the road further that way. There's places down there. This is the main hub, the main area in General Luna where the majority of your businesses are, restaurants are, all up in here. They're cutting a tree down up there. Yeah, right there. Dude's up there cutting down a coconut tree. One branch at a time. No safety harness. Just climb it and cut. Get your bolo, climb it and cut. You guys got some gas tanks there. Some type of plastic containers. Pretty cool. He's got his axe going on right there. He's just got to get out in the jungle. These places here are pretty good. We've eaten tacos here, and I've eaten a burger. Or not a burger, like a sandwich there. This coffee place, I've seen that place open. Good coffee, good desserts in there. Another souvenir shop. Traffic is still rolling. Traffic is still rolling down the road. That's a good sign. I said it earlier. That's a good sign. Looks over in the shade. She don't want to be in the sun. We've had all this rain. Then we got the Siargao Corner Cafe. I haven't eaten there in a while. It's been a while since I've eaten in there. But they do a good waffle. If you like waffles, they do a good waffle in there. You gotta ask. I always ask for mine to be well done. I don't like a rubbery waffle. So yes, I'm good, my friend. I don't like rubbery waffles. But if you order it well done, hop on. They do a good job. Plus tocino and eggs. I like their tocino and eggs. And their coffee is good. More souvenir shops. You want a magnet for your refrigerator at home? Well, you got plenty of magnets for your refrigerator at home. You want a hat to bathe out in the sun so the sun don't get you? Hello. We've got hats. We've got purses. We've got t-shirts. We've got necklaces. We've got little change purses. You name it, they got it. Shot glasses, keychains. Welcome to Siargao. Got it all. This is new, this back in here. Let me walk back in here. It's pretty neat there. Kind of looks like it's going to be a bunch of shops. Maybe a restaurant. Lost in Siargao. You can smell the paint. You can hear the construction work. Looks like you got some tables here, maybe outside dining. This is very nice. Very nice. That appears to be a clothing store in there. First time walking back here. First time experience it. You guys are experiencing it with me. I don't know what the benches are for. Got outlets. Got outlets here. Outlets there. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what this is going to be once it's complete. Yeah. Looks like they got benches up there to sit, like a table up top there. Yeah, I'll be definitely back here to see what this is all about. It's nice breeze rolling through here. I got fans set up. Where are you at? I've seen them. There's a fan in that corner. Up top, there's fans. Up right there. Yeah, it'd be nice. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
It's cool. I just spoke to one of the owners there. And you guys can look as I walk and talk. He, there's Lit, poor Lit. Told me it's going to be a bar restaurant. Open up in April at the latest. And it's going to be workspace for people who want to work online. They'll have free internet there. In the back, they're going to put a pool. They'll eventually have like a bar in the back where you can hang out and swim. And bar, restaurant, coffee. It's going to be nice when it's done. I wish him the best. I do wish him the best. I'm good, my friend. I'm good. No, I'm good, my friend. I'm all right. Thank you. Salamat. All right. He has something different, but will it work? Will it fly? We can only hope. You can only hope. You can tell business is picking up because that right there, that superfood, Sanambol, I think it's called. That is big for vegan. Hello. That's vegan. The vegan people love to eat there. Different place. And that sat empty for quite a while. And now it's back up running. And we got music across the street, so I'll try to continue talking like a motor mouth. My mom used to call my dad motor mouth because my dad liked to speak so much. She said, "You have a motor mouth." You guys see it. Construction. Jewelry and accessory store there. That's new. El Lobo, that is not new. Great place to start your party night at right there before you head over to the beach club. I like that place there. Get there early because it does fill up. Banois Club, that's after hours. So when everything shuts down here at midnight, go down there. It's soundproof. They can't hear you down there. They can't hear the music. And you can drink and party and hang out. All right. Yeah, see now this here, that's a Calendaria, right? Calendaria. M&J Calendaria open 24/7. When that starts, I don't know what it's like at night, but you can always judge the caliber of how many tourists here by these two Calendarias right here, because usually a lot of people go there. It's good. And we are kind of coming to the end of our in real life tour, walk. Laundry Queen. Watch, I didn't step out in the road. I don't know where Lut is. Shall find her. Maybe she's behind me. I don't know. Oh, sorry store. Want some shells to hang from your ceiling? Oh, she's way back there. I'm out walking her. There's another Calendaria here. Prime Fit Gym. And we are back to where we started. Body piercing, more tattoos, island hopping, promos. What else we got? Bring him home. Let me get past this music. Let me get past Bring Him Home. Bring Rodrigo Duterte home. All right, guys, that's it. BB's Barbecue, another place here. It's very good to eat, very cheap, very reasonably priced. It's a barbecue. This will open at night. This side, they'll have bands in there playing. This side over here, that was actually there. See the traffic. It's a traffic situation like. I don't get hit. And the smoking joint, best, right back here, next to BB's, the smoking joint, the best beef brisket I've ever had in the Philippines, right back there. And we got BB's here. That BB's here was the original one before Odette. Remember eating there pre-Odette when we came here, and they actually reopen it after the Odette hit, and then they open up the BB's across the street. Anyways, there it is. There's our in real life tour of downtown General Luna. I always like doing walking talk videos, nothing wrong with that. Point, shoot, upload, and talk. You gotta talk, you gotta ramble. All you gotta do is ramble. Ramble on, be a motor mouth. And you too can be a walk and talk YouTuber in the Philippines. All right, guys, leave the comments below. Let me know what you think, and talk to you later.